So the given problem here one is a wooden article from each end of a solid cylinder as shown in the figure. If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeters and its radius of base is 3.5 centimeters, find the total surface area of the article. So here the figure to observe, the figure is in the shape of a cylinder, but the top and bottom will be joined with two hemispheres. So here we want to find the total surface area of the article, that is nothing but the surface area of cylinder and surface areas of these two hemispheres. So here we want to find the curved surface area of cylinder and two hemispheres one we want to find. For that, before the given information writing, given height of the cylinder h equal to 10 centimeters. Next, the base radius of cylinder are equal to 3.5 centimeters. Now, the curved surface area of cylinder equal to 2 pi RH, that is nothing but 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 10. So 7 ones 7.5. So 2 into 22 into 0.5 into 10, that is nothing but 220. So the curved surface area of cylinder equal to 220 centimeters square. Okay. Now here next we have to find the hemisphere's curved surface area. So hemisphere's curved surface area is 2 pi r square. So here we need r. So radius of hemisphere is nothing but the radius of cylinder, that is 3.5 centimeters. So now the curved surface area of hemisphere equal to 2 pi r square, that equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5. So 7 ones 7.5. So 2 into 22 into 0.5 into 3.5, that is nothing but 77. So here the curved surface area, so curved surface area of hemisphere 77 centimeters square. If in that figure if we observed, we have two hemispheres there. So curved surface area of two hemispheres equal to 2 into 77, that equal to 154 centimeters square. Okay, so now here we get the curved surface area of cylinder and the curved surface area of two hemispheres. Now we finding the total surface area of the article. So total surface area of article equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of two hemispheres So curved surface area of cylinder is 220 and curved surface area of two hemispheres is 154. So 220 plus 154, that is nothing but 374. So therefore total surface area of the article equal to 374 centimeter square. And the given problem is a medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its end. The length of the capsule is 14 millimeters and its thickness is 5 millimeters. Find its surface area. So here the capsule is in the shape of cylinder and its two ends are stuck with two hemispheres. Here the thickness is, this total length is 5 millimeters given and the total length is 14 millimeters given. So now here if we divide here to, now here to we get the cylindrical shape. So now we want to find the cylinder's length and radius, and here two hemispheres forming. So that hemispheres radius to find curved surface area. So our to ask to find the surface area of that medicine capsule, that is nothing but the sum of the surface areas, that means curved surface areas of cylinder and two hemispheres. That one we have to find. So first the given information to first finding the hemispheres curved surface area. So thickness of the capsule, so thickness of the capsule, that is nothing but the diameter, that is 5 millimeters given. So radius of hemisphere are equal to d by 2, that equal to 5 by 2 millimeters. Next finding the curved surface area of hemisphere. So curved surface area of that equal to 2 pi r square. So 2 into pi equal to 22 by 7, taking r value is 5 by 2 into 5 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled. So 22 into 5 into 5, that is nothing but 550 by 7 into 2 millimeter square. So it is the curved surface area of hemisphere. But here observed in the capsule we have two hemispheres there. So curved surface area of two hemispheres, that is nothing but 2 into 550 by 7 into 2. So 2 gets cancelled, that means 550 by 7 millimeter square. Now for finding the curved surface area of cylinder, we have to find the length, that is nothing but height, and the base radius of cylinder. So the base radius of cylinder is nothing but the radius of hemisphere. That is equal to 5 by 2 millimeters. Next, here given the capsule's length. So length of the capsule equal to 14 millimeters. Now finding the height of the cylindrical portion. So height of cylindrical portion is nothing but 14 minus this thickness subtracted. Now here 2 times there. So 2 into 5 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled. So 14 minus 5, that is equal to 9 millimeters. Now we get the height of the cylinder and radius of the cylinder. Now finding the curved surface area of cylinder. So curved surface area of cylinder equal to 2 pi r h, that equal to 2 into pi equal to 22 by 7 and r is nothing but 5 by 2 and h is 9. So 2 gets cancelled. So 22 into 5 into 9 by 7, that is nothing but 990 by 7. So curved surface area of cylinder is 990 by 7. Millimeter square. Now our to ask to find the surface area of capsule. So surface area of capsule is nothing but the curved surface area of two hemispheres plus curved surface area of cylinder. So curved surface area of two hemispheres plus curved surface area of cylinder, that is equal to 550 by 7 plus 990 by 7. So if these two fractions 550 by 7 and 990 by 7 both were observed, both have the same denominators, so they are like fractions. So directly adding the numerators, that means 550 plus 990, that is nothing but 1540. So 1540 by 7 is nothing but 220. So the surface area of capsule equal to 220 millimeter square. The given problem is two cubes of volume 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end together. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So first here volume of cube given. So given volume of cube, that is 64 centimeter cube given. So this cube to we have to make cuboid. Cube to cuboid make purpose. Now we have to find the side of the cube is how much. So here volume of cube, that is nothing but a cube. So a cube is equal to 64 centimeter cube. So a is equal to cube to root 64. Cube to root 64 is nothing but 4. So side of cube, centimeters. Now this 4 centimeters cube to make two cubes joined and make cuboid. So now if we observe that one, so the diagram will be Now here two cubes are joined with 4 centimeters one. So here it is 4 centimeters breadth and 4 centimeters height. Now if we observe the length, that is 4 centimeters plus 4 centimeters equal to 8 centimeters. So for the cuboid, the length is 8 centimeters and the breadth and height are not changed. They are 4 centimeters only. So for cuboid, length L equal to 8 centimeters, breadth B equal to 4 centimeters and height H equal to 4 centimeters. Now our task to find the surface area of resulting cuboid. So surface area of cuboid that is nothing but the total surface area of cuboid. So total surface area of the cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, that equal to 2 into LB. So 8 into 4 plus BH 4 into 4 plus HL 4 into 8. So 8 fours 32, 4 fours 16 and 8 fours 32. So 32 plus 16 plus 32, this is nothing but 80. So 2 into 80 equal to 160. So surface area of the resulting cuboid is 160 centimeter cube. So surface area of resulting cuboid (160 centimeter square). Here the given problem is a storage tank consists of a circular cylinder with a hemisphere stuck on either end. If the external diameter of the cylinder be 1.4 meters and its length be 8 meters, then find the cost of painting it on the outside at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square. That is the question here given. So here a storage tank. So its ends with cylindrical shape and the cylinder's length be 1.4, so the diameter be 1.4 meters and length be 8 meters given. Okay, so here the length height is nothing but 8 meters at the cylindrical portion only given. So now by using this information we have to find the painting cost. So for find painting cost we have to find the surface area of that storage tank. So for finding the surface area of storage tank we have to find the curved surface area of cylinder and curved surface area of two hemispheres. That one we have to find. Okay, so first the given the information to finding the curved surface area of hemisphere one. So base diameter of hemisphere 1.4 meters. So its radius R equal to D by 2, that equal to 1.4 by 2 is nothing but 0.7 meters. Next, finding the curved surface area of hemisphere. that is pi 2 pi r square, that equal to 2 into pi 22 by 7 into r, 0.7 into 0.7, so 7 ones 7.1, so 2 into 22 into 0.7 into 0.1, so that is nothing but 3.06, so 3.08. Curved surface area of hemisphere equal to 3.08 meter square. But now our two hemispheres there, so curved surface area of two hemispheres equal to 2 into 3.08, that is nothing but 6.16 meter square. So it is the curved surface area of two hemispheres we find. Now we finding the curved surface area of that cylindrical portion. So first the information writing, so the base radius of cylinder is nothing but the base radius of hemisphere, that is 0.7 meters. Next, height of cylinder h equal to given 1.4 meters. Now finding the curved surface area of cylinder, so curved surface area of cylinder that is 2 pi r h, so 2 into 22 by 7 into r, r value is 0.7 into h 1 point, so here height is 8 meters not 1.4, so into 8, so 7 ones 7.1, so 2 into 22 into 0.1 into 8, that is nothing but 35.2. So curved surface area of cylinder equal to 35.2 meter square. Now finding the surface area of this storage tank, so surface area of storage tank equal to curved surface area of two hemispheres plus curved surface area of cylinder, that equal to 6.16 plus 35.2, that equal to 41.36 meter square. It is the surface area of storage tank. Now our to asked for this storage tank to painting purpose at the rate of 20 rupees per meter square, how much cost for 41.36 meter squares to. So for painting 1 meter square cost equal to rupees 20. So for painting this 41.36 meters square cost, that equal to 41.36 into 20, that is nothing but 82.72. So 82 rupees 72 paisa. So therefore the cost of painting the storage tank outside equal to rupees 82.72 paisa.